Alright, let's determine the equation of the tangent to the curve. P of x is equal to negative x cubed plus 2 times 4x squared minus 3 at x is equal to 3. Okay, so to find the slope of the tangent, we need to find the derivative function. So it looks like we're going to be employing the product rule here. So P prime of x is equal to, I'm going to do the derivative of the left factor, or the factor at the left, negative x cubed plus 2 times 4x squared minus 3 plus the derivative of, and I can change the order because multiplication is commutative, so you can reverse the order and still get the same value, 4x squared minus 3 times negative x cubed plus 2, okay? And in this case, if I find the derivative and clean this up, derivative of negative x cubed is basically negative 3x squared times 4x squared minus 3 plus derivative of 4x squared minus 3 is 8x times negative x cubed plus 2, and then the derivative function p prime of x is equal to negative 3x squared times 4x squared is negative 12x to the power 4 plus 9x squared minus 8x cubed, to the power 4, 8x to the power 4, because this is like x to the power 1 and this is a 3, right? And plus 16x, okay? Now we want to collect all the like terms, so the only two like terms I see is negative 12x to the power 4 minus 8x to the power 4 plus 9x squared plus 16x. So collectively, your derivative is basically negative 20x to the power 4 plus 9x squared plus 16x. Now we want to find the slope of the tangent at x is equal to 3. So this is the general slope of the tangent equation. To find the slope of the tangent at x equal to 3, I'm going to do p prime of 3, which is negative 20, 3 to the power 4 plus 9 times 3 squared plus 16 times 3. And in this case, you get negative 20 times 81 plus 9 times 9 plus 48. Okay? And if you input this in a calculator, you're going to get a really steep negative slope, negative 1491. Okay, so that's your really steep negative slope. So now we have the equation of, we have the slope of the tangent, it's negative 1491 x plus b. If you want to solve for the y-intercept, we need to find the equivalent point at x is equal to 3 for y. Okay, so we need to find the equivalent y value. So if we know that the point is going to be 3 and p of 3. Okay, whoops. And in this case, what we want to do is find p of 3. So p of 3 here is basically negative 3 cubed plus 2, 4 times 3 squared minus 3, which is negative 27 plus 2, and 36 minus 3 is 33. So that's going to give you negative 25 times 33. So yeah, we do have a set of large numbers here. So that's going to give you negative 825. Okay? So p of 3 is negative 825. So the collective point is 3 and negative 825. Okay? And then we just substitute this in. So when we sub this into your equation, okay, we plug this in for y. So negative 825 is equal to negative 1491 times 3 plus b. And then if I crunch all this out, so 1491 times 3 gives us negative 4,473 is equal to negative 825 plus b, and then I'm going to move this to the other side. So b here is equal to 3,648. Okay, so yeah, these numbers are kind of extreme. Okay, but now we have our equation. So y is equal to negative 1491x plus 3,648. Okay, so this is the equation of our tangent.